Hey guys, and welcome to another coin review video. Today's video is really special. I think you can see that because I'm really wearing these gloves. So yeah, I think I'm wearing them this one other way around. Oh, there's something wrong with this one, but yeah, today's video is really special. It is because I just received a package today. I'll show you guys in a minute. There you go. So this is struck on the day of the Queen's Platinum Jubilee sovereign. So this is really special. It was there are only 1,200 pieces available in the market, and I haven't opened it yet. I just opened this bit, so I'm really excited to show you guys and also share the experience with you. So yeah, this is some promotional stuff for National Lottery Community Fund, marking an incredible moment with introduction of first 50p to celebrate a royal event. So yeah, there was first time a royal event was celebrated on 50p, and if you can hear all the noise, sorry, the weather is really bad today. But anyways, let's get to the main thing, star of the show, of the video, this coin. So for a couple of weeks I have been waiting for this coin to be delivered, and finally it's here. So let's check it out. So I'm going to open it. I'm really nervous. Actually it arrived a couple of hours ago, but I was so nervous to take it out that I didn't want to open it. Okay, so first of all, let's take it out of packaging. Oops. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but these things, I don't think so. If you can see it here, it doesn't look nice, so I'll have to take gloves off. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, first of all, Royal Mint, if you're watching this, I don't like this. Especially, I had to wait so long for this coin, and it's dusty, as you can see. Not very good experience, and I can feel head marks or marks on it. No, this box is definitely a big no. Overall, this is pretty fast and pretty tight. So first of all, the issue number is 1110, so that means there were only 1,200 coins issued, so this one is really special. So if you look at this, made to serve since 1952, the world has watched Her Majesty the Queen evolve from the young queen who helped shape post-war Britain. The Queen makes history. She becomes the first British monarch to celebrate a Platinum Jubilee. To mark this, the Royal Mint has struck this celebration sovereign on 6th of Feb, exactly 7 years from the day Her Majesty acceded to the crown. And then it is sovereign, 7.98 grams to 22.05 millimeters. Jody Clark, Timothy Nord. These are the designers. Brilliant uncirculated, and maximum mintage 1210. Limited edition presentation 1,200. So these 10 extra 10, they are for, you know, testing and stuff like that. And I think this signed as well. So now let's go back to the coin, and I don't know if I should take it out. I don't think so. I want to even touch it, but I'll have to if I want to show it to you guys. So let me wear a glove, because unlike Royal Mint people, I don't want to leave any marks on the boxes or anywhere. So Royal Mint, that was a bit disappointing. That box had marks on it. I don't like that, but here it is. Reverse and reverse. I'll have to inspect it properly to make sure everything is spot on the coin. but overall packaging, not a good paint. So yeah, there you go guys, this is sold on the day crown, no, struck on the day of Platinum Jubilee crown. It's really nice. Sorry, sovereign, not crown. It's really nice coin, but the only issue I think I have is the packaging. The box feels like old one, and with all these things, I don't know how I feel about it. Rest looks alright. I'll have to properly use a magnifier and inspect it and put it back, and maybe put it back, and now I take it out again. But anyways, thank you very much guys for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you're looking for different kind of coins or stuff like that, visit our website coiner.co.uk. And thank you for watching this video, and let me know your thoughts on this coin by making comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.